Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Claro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Pasan. Sometimes, in a relationship, may isang talagang mas magdadala. May isang mas mag-aalalay sa isa, may isang mas needy, and may isang mas mangangailangan ng atensyon. And that's fine. Mind you guys, though, a relationship like this is not for the weak and soft-hearted individuals. Because when you have a partner like that, you need to be stronger and broad-minded. Minsan nakakapagod kasi. Meron ka din ng mga pangangailangan, meron ka din ng mga oras na magiging mahina ka at kakailanganin mo siya para lumakas ka. But just think about it this way. You are that person's strength, let alone that person's sanity. You keep him intact, you keep him grounded, you keep him hopeful. So whenever you feel like hindi mo na kaya pasanin ang relationship, take a pause at kausapin mo siya. Hindi ka naman required to be strong all the time eh. It's okay to expose your weakness to that person from time to time para maramdaman din niya that he is needed. Because helping that person get up means also helping them to find their own strength. At yung feeling of being needed will make them feel quite stronger and worthy. So again, not because ikaw yung mas, meaning always ka nang kailangan magbigay. Lagi ko nga sinasabi to sa programa ko eh, you can never give what you do not have. So do not exhaust yourself. You are maybe carrying the heavier load, but you must share the carrying part itself. You guys need to fight it together. You don't need to do it alone. Okay? Next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Pasan. Kapag ikaw ang inaasahan ng pamilya, parang wala kang karapatang mapagod, wala kang karapatang bumitaw, sometimes not even a pause, because every time you do, it means losing money for your family. Gets kita, my love. Hinga ka lang malalim. I know it's not something you can do anything about, and you just keep on going. But if it's any consolation, let me tell you, my love, you'll pull through it. Na kaya mo yan. Alam ko din kasi yung feeling na yan eh. Nararamdaman mo lang yung exhaustion na yan kapag walang-wala ka. Pero kapag meron ka, you'll realize na bearable naman eh. Kinakaya, kakayanin. All you have to do is avoid that lowest low, my love. Iwasan mo lang masagad, iwasan mo lang masaid, and you'll be just fine. Kung tatanungin mo ko kung panghabang buhay ba yan, that one is up to you. Do you help and teach? Or pasan mo lang talaga? Kasi if you wanted to end differently, you have to go sa first option. You have to help them and teach them at the same time how to help themselves. Turuan mo silang magpagabay, hindi sumandal. Magpaturo, pero hindi umasa. Give them a purpose and teach them responsibility. Breadwinner ka, my love, hindi ka superhero. At some point in your life, you have to think about your own life too and your own direction. So habang wala ka pa doon, teach them how to stand on their own 2 feet. That way, maiiwasan mong masagad, maiiwasan mong masaid, maiiwasan mong bumigay. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Pasan. This one goes sa way of thinking mo. Ayan. Alam mo yung feeling na kapag pagod ka na and you see yourself as a failure because you're not yet there kung saan mo gusto makarating, wala ka pa ng mga bagay na gusto mong mata mo. O kaya naman you are constantly being rejected. Love, I'm sure narinig mo na to sa iba. Mga kataga nga, it's not true, nagkakamali ka, hindi ganun yon. And your response might be as usual. Sinasabi mo lang yan to make me feel better. Yan. That's the kind of attitude that will prove your negative thoughts right. This time around kasi, love, you are being a hazard to yourself already. Nagiging hadlang ka na to your own success. So snap out of it. Pull yourself together and look around you. Lahat ng tao gusto kang tulungan because they see the potential in you. Lahat ng tao naniniwala sa'yo because they know you can. All you have to do is stop feeling sorry for yourself and for once, believe in what you can do. Yes, hindi maganda yung sitwasyon. Yes, ang hirap ng pinagdadaanan mo, but feeling sorry for yourself will not make you feel any better. And giving up will only waste what they've given you or what they've done for you. So again, baklas. Baklas ka sa ganyang self-pity. Wipe your tears and get back at it. A lot of people will be more than willing to help you, but only you can make a difference for yourself. Gets mo ko? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin ang kailangan ng gabay, ng advice, all you have to do is check me out on my socials, DJ Lala Banderas. Send me a message and I'll be with you or I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Kasama niyo pa rin po DJ Lala Banderas para sa ating programang Sakto, Claro, Diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Lover Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.